everyone. Myself Mahira Parvez, mother of Muhammad Rayan, grade 8, batch 3. Want to share my views regarding the remedial classes that are being conducted by the Indian Central School. I never thought the remedial classes to be so much productive and interesting as well, as I found my child was struggling with numericals, and it was a blessing when the remedial classes initiated because the teachers are best on their toes to deliver the best possible to transfer the concept from easy to difficult successfully. The utter dedication of teachers while teaching can be clearly felt. As a parent, I appreciate the efforts made by the school as well as all the teachers. Last but not least, I would like to thank the class teacher, her tireless work and coordinating with each parent and helping our kids to work efficiently. Thank you.
My name is Sumitra Vitekon. Shenan is my son who is studying in Indian Central School class 7 Bedford. He is doing very well for science class and he is responding to the class. He is doing some interesting class found metal which really helped my child to understand easily. Thank for the effort taken.
Hello everyone, I am Swapna Devasya. My daughter Milka Shaji is studying in class 8B. She has been attending remedial classes since few weeks. I was surprised to see her doing maths with much interest. How come the change? It was a possible because the teacher broke down the algebraic concept into easy, understandable block. This boosted my daughter confidence. Thank you, Indian Central School. Okay, thank you. God bless you.
Hi, I'm Chirai's father. He's studying in Indian Central School, grade 8, batch 5. The teachers have done a beautiful job in remedial classes by dividing the subjects into different strands and then explain the basic concepts very well. Related to the geometry and the basic geometry concepts are very clear and he enjoys learning too. Thanks a lot.
Hi everyone, I am Beatrice Kanti. This is my daughter Shirley Veronica. She is studying in Indian Central School, grade 8, batch 6. Today I am in front of you to thank the great effort of teachers who are taking remedial class physics and chemistry. I hope Shirley will achieve great take in forthcoming exam. Once again, I thank for the management, principal and teachers. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Mr. Fayaz, father of Laiba. She is studying in Indian Central School grade 8. She is attending her remedial classes for last 4 weeks. It's really very useful and she has improved a lot. Especially the biology classes is very useful to her. The vast content when explained from the basic concept helped my child to understand it because it was found simple and interesting. At this time, I would like to thank all the teachers, supervisors, vice principal, the management for giving this great opportunity for my child. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.